Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you a different kind of video. So I'll be doing a series of videos which will entail home organization videos, and the series will include routines, my morning and evening routines, and also tips and hacks that you can use in your home to be organized as a mom. Yeah, so in today's video I will start with cleaning. I'll be cleaning my fridge, microwave, gas cooker, electric kettle, and blender. Yeah, so if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, kindly subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. And now guys, let's get started. So guys, first I'm going to show you what I use to clean the cleaning product I use. So for cleaning my fridge, microwave, and also gas cooker, I always use vinegar. Yeah, vinegar, and in here I have vinegar mixed with some water. Vinegar is believed to be a good cleaning product, and that's all that I use. And also cleaning towels, I have this one and this one. So first I'm going to start with the gas cooker. Yeah, for gas cooker I'll just sprinkle this mixture, my water, vinegar mixture, and some soap. Yeah, and leave it for some time as I clear what is in the fridge. Yeah, so guys, let's get started. Just get soaked, and now let's go to emptying what's left in the fridge. So guys, nilikuwa nimezima fridge earlier so that the ice might melt. Yeah. I've removed everything from the fridge, as you can see. For these are easy to remove. Nilikuwa nimezima fridge earlier so that everything can melt. Now I will be able to remove everything. Before cleaning all these, I will start cleaning the microwave. And for the microwave, this is what I do. I just put some vinegar, some water. Actually, just a bit of some water. And in this cup, I'm going to add my vinegar. For the microwave, I'll put this mixture in there and let the mixture evaporate. Then I will clean it. Yes. So guys, as the vinegar in the microwave evaporates, yeah, I'm going to start cleaning this stuff, and I will be using I will add some vinegar in here, and I will use cleaning soap. So guys, I just finished washing all these. Yeah. So now I'm going to clean the microwave. So the reason why I put vinegar in there to steam. It will make sure that the stains in the microwave will be easy to wipe and clean. And now let's begin cleaning the microwave.
All I wanna be
guys, that's how I clean my microwave. As you can see, it's really clean. Yeah, by just using vinegar and some water in it, you get that sparkling microwave. Same case applies. As you can see, my fridge, it's clean. That's how I deep clean my fridge. And for deep cleaning my fridge, I always do it once a month. Guys, that's how I do the deep cleaning of my microwave and my fridge. Yeah, so now let's go to cleaning the electric kettle. So for the kettle, I'll still be using the vinegar, water and some soap. Yeah, and now let's scrub it. So guys, as you can see, everything is clean, shiny. So for the vinegar, it brings that shiny spark, yeah, in your appliances. Yeah, so I would advise that if you are looking for a good cleaning product, vinegar is the way to go. Yes guys, and I'm done with that. So now let's go and clean our gas cooker. Yeah, and as you can see, all these are getting dry. We are going to, as we finish, I believe as we finish cleaning the cooker, they will be dry, and I'll then return them to the fridge, and this plate I'll return it to the microwave, and we will be done. So now let's go and clean the gas cooker. Yeah, so now right here I have some water. I'm just going to add a little bit of vinegar. Yeah, so now let's get started cleaning the gas. I'll first remove this. guys, I'm done cleaning all these. I'll let them dry and then I'll return them to the cooker, and I'll be right back and show you how everything turned out to be. Yeah. So guys, now I'm going to wipe all these, to wipe them dry, and then return them to the cooker. Yeah. Guys, that's how my cooker turned out to be. It's sparkling clean, yeah. Yes guys, and that's how I deep clean my cooker using just vinegar with water and a bit of soap, and it's all done. Yeah. So guys, for these are almost dry, and I really want to return them to the fridge, so I'm going to wipe them dry and then return them to the fridge and this plate, and return this plate to the microwave. So let's start wiping everything. Yeah, so guys, everything is dried up. I'm now going to return everything to where it's supposed to be. For the fridge, I've returned everything. Yeah, that's how it's looking. Now let's close all these up. Before closing everything up, I want to return what was in the freezer. I've just returned everything. So yeah, so guys, that's how I did my cleaning. Yeah, everything is shining. Guys, that's how I clean my home appliances with just vinegar, and everything comes out sparkling clean. Yeah, so guys, if you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, I'd love you to subscribe and stick around for such content, cleaning hacks. Yeah, and for cleaning hacks, for my routines. Yes guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.